Hi, this is Jason Hodge of Medical Fitness Pros, and this is my wife Jessica Hodge. And we are going to show you some stretches that I used on my trip. We just got back from Italy, and if you've been there before, you know how long the flights can be. It's 9 hours on the way over there and like 11 hours on the way back, because we actually had to fly around the volcanic ash and everything else. But for me, I was kind of stuck on a plane for a long time. It's very hard to get around, and it's not like you can walk around and pace around on an airplane because it kind of looks suspicious. So I wanted to give you my 3 exercises that I did the most, and I have my wife help me out here. And I found I could do these in very small spaces. In fact, I found that I could actually do these in the bathroom if I needed to. I could squeeze 3 stretches in. It actually gave me enough relief to where I could keep going on the plane. So first one is the piriformis stretch. So for the piriformis stretch, I'm going to have Jessica grab hold of the rail, and you simply just cross one leg over the other one and lean back into a seated position. And when you do it, actually stretches out the hip muscles. For me, my hip was very tight on the right hand side. I was able to get a lot of relief out of that. So you just cross the leg over, try to get it as flat as you can, and stretch back to where you stretch out the hip muscle. It's a great stretch, and if you've been sitting, the piriformis will tighten up a lot on that stretch. The next stretch I'm going to show is the hamstring stretch, and it's very effective. I know for me, my hamstring was really tight. Again, you sit down, and it's one of the things that does tighten up for you. It's real simple on that one as well. You just stick up one foot in front of the other, put the heel on the ground, and then just keep your back straight. You just lean forward. And as you lean forward, you actually stretch out the hamstring behind the leg, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, very small space, but it gives you a lot of relief if you have back pain. It just really loosens up those muscles. The last stretch is an IT band stretch. It's real simple. If you want the long version, the way to get the most out of it, I have another video you can go back and look at. But for an airplane, you obviously don't have a whole lot of space. So for that one, there is a modified version of the IT band stretch I use. It's not quite as deep, but it definitely helps. For the IT band stretch, we're going to cross one leg over the other one. You shift the hips to the side where the back leg is, and then lean the body the other way. So for instance, if your left leg is crossed over the right one, you shift your hips to the right, lean your body to the left. Real simple exercise. So I know that traveling on the plane can be pretty tough when it comes to back pain. So for that, I recommend 3 stretches while you're on the plane: hamstring, piriformis, and IT band. Real simple, nothing real fancy, and can give you a lot of relief. You can also bring things with you if you want, different pillows and stuff, maybe give it a little bit more if you're not getting any relief, or if you didn't bring them with you, there's just 3 simple stretches you can use that will help some. So if you have any questions, if you have back pain, have trouble with that, need some help, give us a call. It's Jason Hodge at Medical Fitness Pro, lovely wife Jessica, and you can give us a call back at 281-500-6055. I look forward to hearing from you soon.